All right, guys, what's good? Let me make this a little bigger. What's good, guys? Today, going to go over my trade that I took today. Ended up getting break even stopped on this setup. Really liked the setup. Had high confidence in it playing out. But I think the indecisiveness with the war and everything going on probably caused us not to play out, which kind of sucks. But yeah, let me break it down. Statistically, I would take this 10 out of 10 times. There's not a single day I'm not taking this trade. So that aside, let me just break this down and move these drawings, and let's just get straight into it. So the first thing I do is mark out 930 and 950. If you're new here, this is just the macro. So I marked that out to see what's going on. In that pre-market, I wanted go to a higher time frame. I was looking at this getting taken out, and then I also liked this gap here. And then as you can see, I liked this, and I liked this, and I liked all-time highs. So if you go down to the 5-minute, as you can see here, we dump down, sweep this out. So if you go to the 1-minute, after we swept this out, I liked this high here, and what made this even better was on ES. We formed with London high here equal highs, right? And we had an SMT because NQ swept out this down here and ES didn't. Okay, it's not clicking properly, but like as you can see, this is where ES was and NQ swept it out, right? So we had an SMT form and then instantly got displacement here. I entered right here, stops here. Target was, this was TP1, TP2, and then on some crazy stuff, I was holding to all-time highs. So like this was the trade. Theoretically, as you can see, we haven't been stopped out yet. But in reality, we have because ES on this move up, as you can see on that move up, swept out this London high here, forming an SMT with this. And so I moved my stops to break even, and price came down and stopped me out right here. So the only times that I personally move my stops to break even is if at a high draw on liquidity, ES forms an SMT, right? I will willingly move my stops up, right? Or if if I take profit. So like if we would have hit this high, I would have took some profits, moved stop to break even, and then had my other TPs wherever. But yeah, guys, this is a very simple trade. It was purely off of liquidity getting swept slash an imbalance at the same time, right? So we had liquidity and imbalance, right? And then we had a reaction off it. I didn't need a 5-minute retrace. I was willing to take it off purely 1 minute just motion. But what you could have done is waited for this, which this actually, you could have waited for equilibrium to get tapped into and then just wait for a green candle out of that, or this fair value gap here getting retested and just a green candle coming out of that and enter off of this. It would have gave you the exact same entry. Stops down here, TP1, which like theoretically, like I haven't been taken out of it yet, which is like kind of making me upset because I think it's going to play out. So kind of wishing I didn't move my stops to break even now, but that's hindsight. Normally when ES forms an SMT, I'm doing that, but I don't know, guys. As you can see, price really hasn't gone anywhere. But for some reason, we get this new week opening gap and price just rips almost 200 points. But NQ just New York session has been a total of 120 points. Like this is New York AM. Right here. And this is just, new week opening gap rippage, come up, sweep it, come down, come up. We go down. I thought that, this was the play. Fill this, sweep this, and then go higher. But yeah, guys, that's the trade I ended up taking a break-even stop on this. Struggling a little bit. This has been one of my worst months so far of since becoming profitable. I've only made $16,000, and I've probably spent upwards of around $6,000 this month trying to get back to max allocation. So that's unfortunate, but we'll see what we can do. See if we can turn this around. I'm hoping to by this week to get my Lucid accounts and a couple more accounts added, and then next month start actually running that up for some money. So yeah, guys, that's the play. I have my top step accounts. I just want to start building those up for some payouts. And yeah, we'll go from there, see what happens. I'm going to keep you updated, of course. And yeah, guys, hopefully y'all took a dub today. One thing that I thought about taking, which like it literally would have played out, which is kind of annoying, is when we came up here and had this like 5-minute retrace, we had this inverse here. And right here, thought about taking this to equilibrium of this, which it would have banged. And it would have been a super quick and fast day. I think I need to just start targeting. I don't know. Like, I saw this, but I've been taking trades. Like, this isn't really like, it hasn't necessarily reacted off anything besides like 5-minute. I like this trade down here so much more because we tapped 1 hour, like good, high quality, new week opening low, and then got good displacement out of it. Like that, this to me is a way better trade. But yet this one is the one that played out, which like this is probably going to play out. Like I could see this candle like, I mean, shoot, we got all this low resistance liquidity. Like if you didn't move your stops to break even and this is the trade you took, like it's probably playing out. And I can't tell you how badly I wanted to re-enter right here. Like I really thought about just re-entering everything off this here and taking longs off that, but I didn't. But kind of wishing I did, to be honest, because I really got a feeling this is going to play out. But I had to follow my rules. 1 trade a day. That's it. Get off. Move on with my day. So, yeah, guys, I'm going to get ready, eat some food, and then head to the gym. Hopefully, y'all had a good day today. Hopefully, y'all followed your rules because in the end, that's all that really matters. And, yeah, guys, if you want to support me, as you can see at the top of the screen, code Caden on TradeRecap accounts, and then I'll have a link for Alpha Futures. I haven't had enough sales on there to then get my own personalized code, because I've never had codes before. So as we continue to run up TradeRecap, I could probably show them proof of what I'm doing, and they'll probably move that for me. But right now, Alpha Futures is 20% off, and then my code Caden for TradeRecap gets you 40% off. And they're also doing a thing to where you can do a 5-account bundle, and you get an extra 5% off. So you get like 45% off. So, yeah, if y'all want to use that, I'd appreciate it. Love the support, guys. Thank y'all for running up this YouTube. We're almost to 1K on here, which is amazing. My TikTok's almost to 12,000, which is awesome. I appreciate y'all. And yeah, I'm going to continue dropping sauce for y'all. I'm going to try to drop a bunch of information this week and just continue to provide y'all with as much resources as I can for free. And then in the next like month or two, I'm probably going to open a Discord where I'm going to be with y'all every single morning, live trading. And yeah, guys, I appreciate this. I appreciate everything y'all have done. And let's keep running it up, keep getting better, and keep improving. And, the money's going to come. So just focus on the skill, and the reward will come. So hopefully y'all have a good day, and God bless.